Hello Stella. Now I was opening the machine and I set it on, I made a picture of the display for you to see what settings are made, and now I'm putting on. It's starting up, please wait. Now I'm looking to the microscope to see the position, it's okay. The CCD, it's okay also. It's okay. Let it here. Okay. And now I'm giving a shot according to these functions. They are from the factory made. Okay. This was the element, a very thin piece of metal, aluminium, and as I see the laser beam, it's going through the metal. And now I make other adjustments for soldering, not to penetrate the piece of metal. On another piece of metal, bigger, I will put in 2 millimeters. This is 0.2 millimeters. This is 2 millimeters. Of course, this is not penetrated. It's okay for now. But now I will have to see the spot if it grows from 0.8 millimeters to 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters, and if the spot is growing according the settings of the main screen. Okay for now. Thanks. Later.